Guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Here I am with my friend, and we are chilling out there. Today I'm not going to pick any topic of English, so it's a raw vlog, you can say. We are here to stay. The reason behind is it's my sister wedding on 26th of June, so he booked a villa, and this is a master bedroom. My three friends are chilling out there, and I am here to improve your English and mine also. So what we're gonna talk about is that I'm always with my friend, and I am enjoying a lot because he's carrying us, and he just what I am saying, just go out in a balcony. We have a balcony too, and this is the view, and this is the seat there. Oh, it's too hot for me. I don't have a So yes, guys. We are enjoying here. In a few days, there is a wedding, and we are preparing for a wedding. So let me ask my friend. Let me ask my friend one by one what he's gonna wear. So he's a brother. So what you gonna wear on a wedding day?
1 year है.
What you gonna wear on a wedding day? What's your clothes?
Huh?
What are you going to wear on a wedding?
कुर्ता.
Kurta pajama. As always.
Check करो.
But you have to wear 2 or 3
No,
clothes because you are
No. I want only one kapda. Is kurta.
Okay. So people, what you gonna wear on a wedding day?
I'm thinking of wearing a very traditional cloth in India. The piece of cloth is known as bandgala, but I might think it might not good look on me because my neck is a little bit smaller than.
And you are also smaller too. I guess 5'6".
Neck is
I-
smaller
I-
than
I-
Raj. Neck is smaller than
my,
Raj.
my height is pretty short. I'm around 5'6", so
5'4", bro.
No, 5'6".
So I might think it won't work on me, but let's see.
What's the color of your pajama?
So I'm
kurta?
thinking of wearing something that is similar to the painting called the Starry Nights. Let's see if it looks good.
Okay, so let's ask Raj, what are you gonna wear?
Kurta pajama.
So why everyone going to he said kurta pajama, he said kurta pajama, so you are just copying
No, I
them.
said bandgala.
Okay, one gala.
He is wearing
So-
a full gala.
You are showing your 2 nipples, for my audio. What is that? What is that, man? Oh, what is that?
Oh, bro.
Is there is milk? There is milk. So yes, guys, we are planning to each friends are going to wear a kurta pajama, and I purchased that.
Also, in morning I wearing some shirts and baggy jeans.
Oh my god! For a morning,
It's secret, but I tell you.
so he is going to wear a lot of clothes
No.
because he's a
only
main. He's a main guy.
In a night, I wearing a kurta and pajama,
Okay.
like some golden.
So what's the color? Okay, golden color.
Like creamy.
Okay.
And in the morning.
And he's very tall, guys. He's almost 6 feet.
Almost 6.
We are close to 6 feet, and our friends are 5'6", or one of 5'7", one of 5'5".
5'1". Someone is a 5'1".
5'5". So we are the only 2 guys in our group which is close to the 6 feet.
Yeah.
And I can say the strongest guy in our group still but he's not in a good physique for a current physique, as there's a wedding, so he's working hard for a wedding, so he's very busy. He's not going to a workout for since 1-2 months. Am I right?
Yeah, right. 2 months.
So, yes, but still he's looking good. His physique is looking good.
So much fat.
He's almost 73
72.
and 55. His weight is 55.
And someone is
52.
Someone is all
52.
Someone is
Oh my God.
2 years doing a bulking, but
Except one of my friend is not there. He's bulking since 4 years. Since 4 to
4
5 years.
And one friend is also. Who is?
No, I'm not going to. I changed my schedule. I changed my schedule. I don't gonna, wear some fat, and yes. There is a. Let me give you the this master bedroom tour. So this is a washroom. Let me open this. Yes. This is kind of washroom that's pretty good. That's what's that? And yes,
What's that?
there is a 2 bedroom attached. No, 2 bed.
2 beds.
Yes,
Both
2
are
bed.
different. Hey, bhai.
Both are different. Yes, he just is just in the bed because who is gonna to sleep there? His butt gonna stuck there in the middle of bed.
Aryan.
Oh my god! No. And what is called that? Almari. Almira. So yes, Almira, Almira, Almari, which is I don't know what's that called. There is a sheet and that's it. There is a AC 2, but it's not chilling out there. I don't know why it's not working there.
Air conditioner.
And the water, and it's almost 1 a.m. in the night. So we are not sleeping yet because everybody is busy in their phone. Everybody has a different life,
Bye. Good
a
night.
personal
Take care.
life. So I thought I will make a video. So yeah, that's it for the day, guys. I hope you really enjoy this video, and I will shoot whole vlog for a wedding till wedding. I'm still it's there. It's today's what? Today's 2020.
1 second. You
Yes.
told me everyone what you are wearing. What you are wearing.
That's the suspense, guys. I will share you on the next vlog. I will share you on the next vlog.
No.
So why you gonna click?
You
I
can tell
am.
me. You
If-
can tell me
No,
what
no.
you are.
No, if I tell now, so nobody gonna watch my next vlog, bro. So I will build a suspense of
but-
that. So yes, guys, what I am going to wear, I am going to tell you in the next vlog.
It's weird, brother.
It's I always carry a good clothes on me because before you speak, your outfit decide you how you're looking. So I will gonna tell you what I am going to wear on a wedding day, and yes, I will shoot a whole vlog on a haldi day
on a haldi, mehndi.
and mehdi
And also-
tel chatai. क्या बोलते?
Tel
What's
chatai.
that? What's that?
Telwan.
Tel pujan.
First is the 24 is Telwan and 25th is a Haldi and Mehndi.
Mehdi.
And
26 is a wedding day.
day.
We are excited. We are
And
excited for a
27
wedding.
is a farewell
I will
for
shoot
my
another
sister.
video, and I will gonna shoot a main channel video. If you haven't subscribed that channel, go and subscribe it. And yes,
follow करो ठोक के जय माता।
and yes, bye. We'll see you the next one. And what you tell? Check karo bapyo.
चेक करो वापियो लाइक ठोक के करो टपाक से।
Bye bye guys.